This is a demonstration for how to enter coordinates into an etrex model Garmin unit. To begin, we'll need to access the main menu, which you can do by pressing the menu button twice from any screen on the device. From here, you will use the thumb switch to scroll down to Mark Waypoint and select it by pressing directly inwards. Here you can change the format or any other information about the waypoint, in this case the location, which is also known as the coordinates. Once you have selected it, you can use the on-screen keyboard to enter in numbers. In order to change the hemisphere of either the latitude or longitude, you can use the arrows on the right side of the screen. To move on to the next digit, you can use the right arrow. And from here you can enter in arbitrary coordinates or the coordinates that you need to save this particular waypoint. When you reach the end of latitude, the device will automatically cycle to longitude. When you are finished, you can scroll to the bottom of the screen and select Done. Make sure to name the waypoint something that will make it easy to remember at a later date. Once you have selected Done, the waypoint is saved and can be accessed through the Waypoint Manager. If the coordinates which you are trying to enter are in a different format than the device is presenting you with when you access the Mark Waypoint function, you can change this by going to Setup in the main menu and then selecting Position Format. Position format is typically going to be a latitude and longitude. However, some maps will be in decimal degrees, whereas some will be in degrees and minutes, or degrees, minutes, and seconds. In this format system, degrees are represented by a letter D, minutes are represented by a letter M, and seconds are represented by a letter S. So decimal degrees would be a string of the letter D. Degrees and minutes would be a string of the letter D followed by the degree sign, followed by M for minutes, followed by a single hatch mark for minutes. And the same with seconds, but with the letter S. Once you have the desired format selected, if you return to the main menu and choose Mark Waypoint, the location will now be in the correct format and you can enter it in the same way as you did previously.